Food is probably the biggest part of my life aside from bikes. Pretty much think about it all the time. I think about what I'm going to eat as an athlete, what I'm going to enjoy as a treat, how I'm going to cook food, how I'm going to make it different. The year that nutrition really clicked for me was when my coach suggested that I start eating the same meals during the week of a race and really journaling how that made me feel from a standpoint, with your gut, with your energy levels, your performance. And I decided to follow her protocol, and she swore by this meal of steak and potatoes 48 hours or 2 nights before a big race. And then of course I won the national championship, and I started kind of exploring that idea a little bit more, and I was thinking, you know what, this really works. That meal is like the perfect meal for an athlete 48 hours out from a big event, and I haven't strayed from it since then. I think food connects me back to a lot when I was a kid, and I was raised in a single parent home with a mom who was a cleaning lady, and financially we weren't very well off, and so we had to get super creative with the foods that we did have. And so I think there's that emotional connection to not always having a lot of food, and then when you do, sort of respecting it and really learning about it. And that connection has just really stuck with me. And I've created a career and a life for myself where I can make that a little bit more creative, and I feel really grateful for that. Find out more about me at competitor.com.